How do I download and install the Spectrum app on my TV?
Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of downloading and installing the Spectrum app on your TV. This handy app provides access to your favorite Spectrum services right from your television screen, so you won't want to miss out.
What is the Spectrum app?
The Spectrum app is an application provided by Spectrum to its customers that allows them to access their cable TV services, including live TV and on-demand programming, directly from their smart devices like phones, tablets, and smart TVs.
Is my TV compatible?
Before downloading the app, you first need to check if your TV is compatible. The Spectrum app is available on many smart TV platforms including Samsung Smart TVs, Apple TV, Roku, and others. You can typically find this information in your device's settings or online.
How do I download the app?
To download the Spectrum app, follow these general steps. Keep in mind that the exact procedure might vary slightly depending on your device. 1. Turn on your TV and go to the App Store or App section. 2. Search for Spectrum. 3. Select the Spectrum app from the search results. 4. Click on Download or Install.
How do I install and set up the app?
Once you've downloaded the app, you need to install and set it up. 1. Open the Spectrum app from your TV's app menu. 2. Sign in using your Spectrum username and password. If you don't have these, you'll need to create a Spectrum account. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Remember, your login information will be the same as what you use to sign into your account online. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Spectrum app on your TV. Now, you can enjoy your favorite TV shows and movies on demand from the comfort of your living room. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your viewing.